To paint, click on the paint brush. In order to paint, you'll need a mesh to paint on. I'll be using a mesh I've already started on. Use the color wheel to select a color to paint. Use the controller's trigger to paint. Use the bottom button on the controller to undo, and the top button to redo. Use the grip on the controller to color pick. Use the size slider to change the size of the paintbrush. Use the aspect ratio to change its height, and the thickness slider to change its thickness. When painting, the force you apply to the trigger controls the opacity of the paint. A light touch to the controller will paint lightly, and a hard touch will paint a solid paint. You can also control the opacity using the opacity slider. Set the painting blending slider to painting in order to lay down color on the mesh. Set it to blending in order to move color around. When moving color around, use the smearing slider to control how far the brush pulls color.